It's been an amazing year. It's been full of lessons. It's been definitely a journey.
I know Berenice from school. We both come from families who've owned businesses, and we've always had that dream. So we started talking, and that's how Frontera came up. The people that are with us, that have the same vision, is the greatest asset of any business.
At first, you come into a business not really knowing everything you're going to be confronted with. And so everything that you pass, it's just you have to learn and move on. And you have to adapt quickly. And so we've learned that we have to be on our toes at all times. You can't just be comfortable. When the pandemic came to existence, we had to think about what to do to be able to survive during a time where a lot of closures were happening, and for the safety of customers, we couldn't have people in here.
We started doing the deliveries, free delivery all over El Paso. Word of mouth spread wonderfully. Berenice has her job, full-time job. I had my own. I've been a manager for so long, and therefore the decision had to be made to come and make this a full-time job. I think knowing our guests by name makes it even more touching, not only for the people who is coming to Frontera, but for us as part of a downtown.
It's not in the meat of downtown where everything's growing, so we have to go out of our way to promote ourselves and to remind everybody all the time that we're here. Even though it's challenging, I think that it's been a blessing in disguise what is happening lately, where El Paso community they just rose up and started supporting local businesses, and that has helped us. People are coming from all over the city to visit us. They wait even in their cars to be able to get their orders, and we're extremely grateful for that. So we do have a variety of churros. That is our forte. That's what we promote the most. But we also have a variety of lunch items, breakfast items, which we serve all day. So we encourage everybody to try our sandwiches, try our breakfast. We also have drinks, coffee. We've got teas. We've got our mazapan water, which is, we believe that we've created it and made it ours because of the ingredients we use. And so we just have something for everybody.